Hey everyone, today we're BWS Spirits in Kingston. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here. As you can see, we have presumably not one, but two Buffalo Trident evaporators right there. So we've got a new style walk-in fridge, as you can see. So both evaporators have a set of 3 fans on them, which is about 6. So we've got the coil back there, as you can see. There's the drainage pipe up there. May as well have a look at the other one. Of course, there's just Buffalo Trident up there. And there's the coil back there. See? And of course we have 3 fans. Pretty big actually, it's quite a big one, as you can see. You can see the store is so big. It's very big BWS Spirit store. So yeah, most BWS Spirit store walk-in refrigerators, most of their stores have walk-in refrigerators about this big, as you probably see in my other videos. So yeah, that's about it really, and I hope you've enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.